Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to restore forgotten PIN code on your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. So first of all, on the sign in page, you're gonna have to enter your PIN code wrong at least one time. And after that, you'll be able to select recover user in the popping up window. Then you're gonna have to select the network around you, enter the password to it, press enter. Then you'll be able to restore your account, your account's PIN code using your Google account. Just click next. Then you're gonna have to enter the password to your Google account, not to your Chromebook. Then press next. Okay, once again. And then enter the new PIN code. And make sure that you remember it this time. Enter it once again to confirm and press enter again. Then click done. And you will regain access to your device's system. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.